just like the sound of it.
What up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Viet. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is my F80 M3. If this is your first time watching, please leave a like and subscribe down below and stay tuned for future videos. In today's video, we are going to be doing a little headlight cleaning project. I went to AutoZone the other day and picked up this Meguiar's two-step headlight restoration kit. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos online about this kit and it seems to work pretty well. As you guys know, I just upgraded my headlights to the Icon LEDs, and one of them is in like flawless condition and the other one has a couple scratches on it. So I really wanted to get like something that wasn't too heavy duty, but this kit seems like it'll do the job perfectly. I don't need any drills or buffing equipment. So that's good. It's pretty cheap, it's like 20 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot. I'm a huge fan of Meguiar's products, especially their ceramic spray wax and their waterless wheel and tire cleaner. So I don't have any doubts that this won't work. Let me give you guys a close-up of what the headlights look like now. It's really hard to tell from pictures online and from far away, but here's the headlight with some scratches on the surface, as you can see here. I mean, you really have to get close to see them. They don't really stand out that much. But then my driver's side headlight looks amazing. I don't really see any scratches, so I'm gonna leave this one alone. And I'm just going to work on the passenger side. So here's what you need. You need some rubbing alcohol to clean off the surface, the headlight restoration kit of course. You need water to keep the sandpaper wet at all times and the headlight surface, and then a couple microfibers to clean off the cleaning agent. Alright, first step. So I'm going to clean off the headlight with some rubbing alcohol, isopropyl. Get any dirt or contaminants off of it. I'm also going to pop my hood because it makes it a lot easier when working with the top. And I'm also going to get some masking tape real quick to tape off the edges so I don't get any of the product on my bumper, hood, or fender. Alright, now that the hood's popped, I'm going to mask off the surrounding areas of the headlight. Alright, so we just opened the headlight restoration kit, and inside comes with the cleaning solution. We're going to use this with the sanding paper. We're going to wet sand the headlight, clean the lens, and then once that's all done and wiped off, we're going to use this headlight coating spray, and it's basically going to be the finishing touch on the headlights. Pretty easy, super simple. The instructions are very detailed, so this should be pretty easy. So actually with this kit you don't even need to wet sand anything. It's literally just this cleaning solution, and you're going to put a nickel size on the sandpaper and scrub vertically and then horizontally until the whole lens is covered, and then we're going to wipe it off with a microfiber and let that settle for a little bit, and then we're going to be spraying it with the headlight coating. You guys want to know where I find all the motivation to work on my car and do a bunch of stuff at home and save me a bunch of money, especially on labor for certain parts? Let me show you. Right there. YouTube. YouTube has helped me out so much, has given me the confidence to work on my own car. And like I said, the biggest thing is saving money, and then you also get to learn about your own car. So it's a win-win. So I just did the first coat. I'm gonna do another coat because I still see a couple small scratches. Alright, now that I've applied the second coat, I'm going to wipe it off with a microfiber. It's going to be really hazy, but don't worry, that's what it's supposed to do. It's going to look real cloudy. Alright, now that the headlight's completely dry, we're going to use the headlight coating. We're going to do an initial coat, just a one-time coat. Let that dry for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we are going to do another coat, another layer, a more wet layer, and then let that dry for 3 to 5 minutes, and we should be done. Wow, that's crazy. So as you can see with the first coating, the lens already looks 10 times clearer with the first coat. I'm gonna let that dry for 3 to 5 minutes. And then while that's drying, I'm gonna clean up any overspray that landed on my bumper. But check it out, it looks so good. And that was only on the first coat. Look at the headlight now, it looks so clear. What a transformation, yo. This is a super easy DIY too. Maybe it took like 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes total. But as you can see from the headlight coating that we just applied, I mean, that first layer looks clean. It went from that hazy, kind of fuzzy, scratched up look, and now it looks super clear. Super impressed by this product and this kit. Would definitely recommend it to anybody who has like minor scratches or anything on their headlights. Super happy with the results so far. So it's been like 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to apply the second layer, a more wet coat, and then we should be done. It's going to dry to the touch in about 5 minutes, so we should be good after that. Another thing is, if you're using this kit, you don't want to wash your car or drive it in the rain for 24 hours, so you can let this cure. Alright, now that the second layer is on there, I'm going to let it dry. And we should be good to go. Super easy DIY. Again, super happy with this kit for 20 bucks. Would definitely recommend it to anybody who has like minor scratches or anything on their headlights and just want a more clear and cut headlight look. Super clean. Also wanted to give you guys a couple updates on the interior. You guys can't see, but I got carbon fiber steering wheel trim coming in. New M1 buttons. I'm going blue by popular demand. I'm gonna match the blue and the blue, the overlays and the blue start stop. And then I'm partnering up with a company called Carbonex Auto, and they're sending me carbon fiber paddle shifters as part of a partnership / sponsorship deal. So that's cool. So stay tuned for that. That's coming this week as well. All right, we just got done letting the second coat dry, and freaking look at this. Look at that reflection. So like I said, I'm gonna let it cure, but man, I'm super happy with the results. Again, super easy DIY, only took 20 minutes, and now this matches the clarity of the driver's side headlight. So I'm super happy. So the only thing we have left to do is peel off this tape. I'm gonna clean the edges just in case I got any overspray on the bumper, even though I already have a PPF on it, so that's good. But man, look at that. I don't really see any surface scratches. If there are any, I think they're in the lens or behind the lens. But whew, super impressed by this. We're all done here. Headlight looks flawless. Again, super happy with Meguiar's products. I'll put their kit in the description below. Make sure you check it out. But now, both headlights super clear. They look badass, and I'm super stoked. Stay tuned for future videos. We got some interior mods coming up. F80 Freaks, another company, is sending me out blue M1 and M2 buttons. So I'm pretty stoked about that to match the overlay clusters and the start stop that I have inside the cabin. And they're also sending me out a carbon fiber and performance steering wheel trim. So we're gonna be putting those 3 mods on together. They should be arriving at the end of this week, so stay tuned for that. All right, but that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the headlight and the kit, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.